Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, March 12th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and give you the 5 benefits of using YouTube to build your LiveGood business. Now, I know not everybody is comfortable being on video and using YouTube, but you can make YouTube videos now. You don't even have to be on camera, okay? So it's a super simple process. I can do more videos, or if you need help on how I use or what I use to make my YouTube videos, and just reach out in the comment section below, okay? But here are the top 5 benefits of using YouTube to build your LiveGood business. Number 1, YouTube will help people find you on Google. All right, Google owns YouTube. So whenever you go to Google now and you type something in the search box and the results propagate, you're going to see YouTube videos, all right? Especially if you click on the video section under the search results. The majority of the videos there are going to be from YouTube. All right, and that's because Google owns YouTube, so they're going to promote themselves, right? So the more videos you make on building your LiveGood business, or whatever business you're in, or whatever your topic is, the better chance you're going to be seen on Google. All right. Number 2, YouTube will expose you to a huge audience. All right. So over 30 million viewers are on YouTube every single day, watching nearly 5 billion videos. Okay, over 30 million viewers a day. And nearly 5 billion videos are watched each day on YouTube. So the more videos that you do about LiveGood, or whatever it is that you're promoting or building, or whatever your niche is, then you're going to be exposed to a huge audience. All right. I mean, there's nowhere else on the planet that you can go aside from Google and get 30 million viewers, potential viewers, on a site, right? There's no other site that has that many viewers in the world. Okay. Number 3, you can acquire qualified traffic. All right. And what I mean by that is that you're essentially getting targeted traffic. All right. Whenever I go on YouTube, I really just don't go on there and look what's going on. I go on there and I search for something. So when somebody searches LiveGood, the more videos you have, all right, over time, it take you a little while, but over time, your videos are going to show up in the search results. It might not be on page 1 right away, but the more you do it, the more you stay consistent, the more chances you have of having a video that is going to come up in the search results, okay? So it's targeted traffic. It's not just throwing out a video somewhere and then hoping somebody who's interested in making money online or building a home-based business sees it, all right? These are people that are going on YouTube specifically looking for LiveGood or more information about LiveGood. Number 4, videos have higher conversion rates, okay? So video content is 12 times more likely to be viewed than a text is to be read, okay? So 12 times more likely to be viewed than be read, all right? So that's very powerful, okay? Especially if if your channel becomes known for something, which is number 5. You can create a community and build your brand using YouTube. All right? So my YouTube channel is, I've had it for many years now. I've taken a lot of the videos, I've unpublished them, and I just have the majority of them. I'd say about 95% of my videos right now are all about LiveGood. Okay? So I'm creating a LiveGood type brand, or when people go to my channel, they're going to know that it's all about LiveGood, and ways to drive and get traffic to your LiveGood business opportunity page. All right? So, I mean, again, if you're not comfortable making YouTube videos, or if you need help on what to use to film your YouTube videos, reach out down in the comment section. I'm more than happy to give you my advice and tell you how I do this, okay? And then again, there's also attraction marketing, okay? So this is a form of attraction marketing. You're making a video, people will see you, they get to know you, your personality. If they click with you, they're going to join with you, right? I mean, I join people that I like. I'm not going to join somebody I don't follow or dislike, right? So you have to have you have to feel that relationship and know that, okay, I feel comfortable joining this person. They seem to know what they're talking about. So it's a form of attraction marketing. And to learn more about attraction marketing and to learn how you can get signups each and every week to your business, click on the link down in the description box, and it's going to take you to a page where you just put your name and email address in, and it's a free digital recruiting bootcamp. You're going to learn all about attraction marketing and how to use attraction marketing to recruit people into your LiveGood business, or any business that you're partaking in. Okay? So that's it for this video. If you find any value in this, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I greatly appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.